Medbeds. Are medbeds the future? I've been hearing about these for a while, and I've been watching videos about it and stuff. If you don't know what they are, they're kind of a futuristic thing. They scan your entire body, and they're supposed to be able to repair like damaged tissues and organs and regrow limbs and all kinds of things. It sounds like, you know, really cool. Whether we'll live long enough to ever see that or they'll ever actually come out, I don't know. But it sounds like it really interesting. I mean, I'm wondering if someone like me who's lived with chronic pain like pretty much their whole adult life, if it would even be possible to reverse any of that stuff. I can't even imagine living without pain. So all this stuff is real interesting to me. I've always hated history. History is boring to me, but I like all this futuristic stuff. I'm always like looking at all this futuristic stuff, and then I'm always like looking all these things up. People are like, what are you talking about now? It's like, people never know what I'm talking about, but I'm having fun. So anyway, I was just watching a video about the Medbeds. Rather than try to explain it more myself, I'll just put the link to the video up here, or I'll put it here or down in the description. So you know, if you're interested, watch the video and let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.